Hi there, guys and girls. Good afternoon to each every one of you. One lovely day. Let's have some late lunch. As you can see, I have here an egg salad and slice of tomatoes. This could be my day 41 of not eating meats. Come over here, join me for my combination of late lunch and snacks. I'm so hungry. Come over here, so rich and creamy. See that? This should be has a lettuce and cucumber, but wasn't able to buy. Anyway, this still tastes so yummy. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Love it, love it. Mmm, 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 mmm. Guys, you can do it. You still have few days left for you to have indulgence with the Lord. Make some abstinence, okay? Mm. Mm. Love it, love it. Number. Now